Hello dear students, in this lecture we will talk about signal to noise ratio. As we know, light of desired wavelengths from the diffraction grating once passed through the exit slit onto the detector. Detector counts these photons of desired wavelengths and transform them into electrons to generate a signal as shown from the diagram. In addition to the desired signal produced, certain unwanted signals also arise. That's called as a noise, as is clearly visible from the diagram. This noise in the spectrum can arise from number 1, dark noise, or the thermionic emission that occurs because of the ambient temperature at the detector, due to which the already produced carriers carry current to create noise. Number 2 is short noise or counting noise. It arises due to the variation of number of photons to produce electrons in different measurements. And third, the noise can also arise from stray light passing onto the detector. And finally, we can have instrumental errors that results into the noise formation. Thus, to determine a good quality signal, signal to noise ratio is measured. Signal is related to noise as noise is equal to square root of signal. If signal is equal to 10 raised power 2 units, noise comes out to be 10 units. Therefore, signal to noise ratio will be 10. But if the signal is equal to 10 raised power 4 units, noise comes out to be 10 raised power 2. Therefore, signal to noise ratio will at that time be 10 raised power 2. Clearly, as signal grows, signal to noise ratio also increases, thereby making measurement good. Therefore, the absolute value of noise is not important. Moreover, in one single measurement, a number of measurements are done by machine. Computer averages the data to get the good signal to noise ratio, thereby making better spectrum. If signal to noise ratio is 1, which means the height of the signal will be equal to the height of the noise. Thereby, you cannot identify which peak will be of noise and which peak will be of signal. Therefore, signal to noise ratio should be greater than 2. I hope you understand it. If you like my videos, please do not hesitate to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, DSC.